This channel uploaded only 9 videos, yet it's already getting millions of views. 1.3 million, 570,000, 530,000 views, with almost every upload going viral. And the craziest part? The channel got monetized within just 4 to 6 videos. Now, you might think these videos take a lot of time or expensive editing, but the video you're watching right now, I created it completely free in just a few minutes. So in today's video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process behind these viral videos and how you can create them too. Let's get started. To create these types of videos, first you need to open ChatGPT, then simply paste this prompt here. You'll find the link to this prompt in the description box. After pasting the prompt, just press enter. As soon as you enter it, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral video ideas related to this niche. Now, from these ideas, you can choose whichever topic you want to create a video on and simply enter that number. For example, I'll enter number 1 here. After that, it will ask you how long you want your video to be. So I'll type 1 minute here and press enter. Now you can see, according to the video duration, it has generated 20 image prompts automatically. So now, the image prompts and animation prompts for our video are fully ready. Next, we'll generate the images. For image generation, I'll use Gemini. So first, open Gemini and click on Create Image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it here, and press Enter. After that, you just need to wait a few seconds. So now you can see our first image has been successfully generated. Now I'll download it. Now you need to follow the same process to generate all the remaining images. The next step is animating these images. And for animation, we'll use Flow AI as always. So for this, search Flow AI on Google and open the official site. After that, click on Create with Flow and then click on New Project. Now an interface like this will appear on your screen. Since we want to animate the images, we'll select Frames to Video, set the ratio to 16:9, and keep the result quality set to 1x. Now click on Start and upload the first image. Then copy the first image animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and press enter. Now the process will take a little time, and after that, your image will be animated successfully. So you can see, our image has been perfectly animated, and the result looks really smooth and professional. Now you just need to follow the same process to animate all the remaining images. So now you can see, all of my images have been successfully animated. Now the final step is editing, and honestly, it's very simple. First, open your preferred editor, then click on Import and import all the clips. After that, arrange the clips in the proper sequence and make small adjustments wherever needed. If you want, you can also add transitions and do additional editing according to your style. So the final result of our video will look something like this. And if you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments which niche tutorial you want next. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye.